Hello, my name is Lynn Kirkham. I'm with Yes You Can Speak, and I help women entrepreneurs make more money doing what they love through speaking. It's the fastest path to cash. And I'm going to share with you today 5 secrets to speaking success. The first is breath. Breath. When we get nervous, we forget to breathe. And when we forget to breathe, we just get more nervous. So what you can do is just take a long inhale, a 4-count inhale. Pause for 4 counts. And then exhale for 8 counts. And then pause for 2 counts. And then inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 8, and pause for 2. Do this about 4 or 5 times, and that alone will send a signal to your brain that you're safe, that you're safe. And then you'll be able to think better and be more clear when you're on stage. That's tip number 1. Success tip number 2 is visualize and be grateful for a fantastic speaking event. So you're already thinking about how great your event is going to be. Imagine having a standing ovation after you speak. Imagine having the words flow, and imagine how great you're going to feel. And imagine how great the audience feels because you've been with them. I'd like you to visualize this for about 5 minutes a day the week before your presentation. The week before, feel it in your body. Really take it in. And when you actually end up presenting, you're going to knock it out of the park. Your mind does not know the difference between something imagined and something real. Imagine this, feel it, and know you're going to knock it out of the park. The third thing that's really important is your body language. 7% of your communication is through your words. 7%. The rest is your physiology. It's how you hold your body. It's whether you're smiling or not. It's how fast you're speaking or how slow. It's whether your posture is weak or is it strong. Your physiology matters. So really stand in your power and know that you're enough, and be strong and have that confident posture. One way to do that is through a power move. I've been studying NLP, EFT, power moves, oh my gosh, Chinese energetic medicine, meditation, all sorts of personal development techniques for over the past 25 years. And I've combined the best of the best in my program. One of the things that is so simple to do is this power move. Simply hands on hips. You stay here for a minute or 2, feet hip width apart, standing firm, eyes up, chest expanded, and you will feel more powerful. The other thing that is really great that I learned from Tony Robbins, he is the bomb, is this power move. And it's the yes move. And it's simply this. Put your hand out, bring it back hard. And as you're bringing it back hard, you're stomping while you're visualizing yourself as a total success. Yes, yes, yes. Do it with me now. Yes, yes, yes. That's it. That alone will change your state so that you will be in your body, you will feel strong and connected and powerful and ready to take it on. Henry Ford says that if you say you can or you can't, you're right. Mindset is key. A couple of ways to get the right mindset is by asking yourself the right questions. Our mind is going to take us down at every opportunity it has, unless we control it. So we can control it with questions. And the questions are like this. They begin with, what will it take? What will it take for me to command the room? What will it take for this to be the best speaking event ever? What will it take for me to know that I'm enough? What will it take for the words to just flow? And what will it take for me to have fun speaking today? What will it take? Those questions will set your mind on the right track so that you move forward and you have an exceptional speaking engagement. The last tip I'm going to share with you is this. Every time you walk into the room, I want you to own it. I want you to own the room. And this is how you do it. You walk in right at the door and you put your hands on your hips and you look at the four corners of the room and you claim it as your space. I own this room. Just say it. I own this room. So those are your 5 speaking tips. Now it's your turn to go out and rock your talk. Again, my name is Lynn Kirkham with Yes You Can Speak. Look forward to seeing you at an event soon.